In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete or deactivate a Proton Mail alias. In the Proton ecosystem, the process depends on the type of alias you're working with. Some aliases are hide my email addresses created through Proton Pass, and those can be removed completely. Others are additional Proton mail addresses tied to your account, and those usually can only be disabled. I'll walk you through both options clearly so you can choose the right method and avoid breaking access to any account that still depends on that address. Let's start with a hide my email alias from Proton Pass or the Security Center. Open your web browser and go to the Proton Pass web panel, then sign in to your account. If you're already inside Proton Mail, you can also use the Security Center on the right-hand side and open the section for all aliases. Once you're in, look through your saved items and filter by aliases if needed, so it's easier to find the one you want to remove. Click on the alias to open its details. Then use the More Options menu in the top right corner and choose Move to Trash. When the confirmation message appears, confirm it again. This removes the alias from active use, but it is not fully gone yet. To permanently delete it, open the trash section from the Proton Pass sidebar. Select the alias you just moved there, open the More Options menu again, and choose Delete permanently. Confirm the warning to finish the process. Keep in mind that once this is done, any website or service still linked to that alias will no longer be able to send login, recovery, or verification emails through it. Now let's look at additional permanent Proton Mail addresses. These work differently because they're connected to your account's encryption setup, so you generally can't remove them yourself. Instead, you disable them. Open your browser, go to the Proton Mail account settings area, and sign in. Then click the Settings or All Settings option in the top right corner. In the left-hand menu, open Identity and Addresses. Scroll down until you see the My Addresses section, then locate the address you want to shut down. On the right side of that address row, open the Actions menu and select Disable. Confirm the prompt and the address should immediately switch to a disabled status. That means it can no longer be used for sending or receiving new email. To verify everything worked, go back to your main Proton Mail inbox and click New Message. In the Composer window, open the From dropdown and review the available sending addresses. If the deleted Hide My Email alias and the disabled address no longer appear there, your changes were applied successfully.